Hey guys, we're really going to have some fun today. We're going to be putting a modern twist on a classic Italian style bruschetta. We're still going to be using the Heirlooms. We are going to use our popular lines such as the Cooked Octopus Tentacle. We're going to be using mullet Bottarga and also just a tiny bit of white truffle oil. First of all, we're going to start concocting what is going to be the little salad in the bowl. We've got some chillis. Next, we'll take the orange. We're just going to cut that in half. That's going to be for the end. The Bottarga. We just require very thin slices here. My favourite, the Heirloom. See that? That is a sexy tomato. We just want to take some big chunks here because we're going to get them on the char grill. I think we'll just use one slice each. One thing I like to do just ahead of time is just to give those tomatoes a nice little season. It just helps bring out all that flavour. So now it's just the cooking of the tentacle. It's going to take 2-3 minutes. What you want to do is just wipe off some of that excess juice. You can use a paper towel. But what you don't want to do is take off any of the skin. The skin actually is probably one of my most favourite parts of the octopus. Just rub down your baguette with a bit of olive oil. Get that turned over. Just so you can see the other side. You just want to douse it on there, like that. Just give it a good rub. It's not going to take long. So just to add that extra flavour to those lovely Heirloom tomatoes, we're going to char them. Dress them with a bit of oil, just on the char grill, like so. It's not going to take long. We almost just want to present that smoky flavour. So let's start getting this bruschetta put together. So, rub down the baguette with a fresh clove of garlic. This is a very traditional way. Both sides. Do not skimp out on that garlic. Now for the slicing of the octopus. Let's get some nice thick cuts going on here. This drizzle of white truffle oil. The last bit of garnish. And here we have our octopus and Bottarga bruschetta.